Hi girls! Today we're going to do some holiday makeup and I hope you love it. I hope you try it because it's really fun. I feel like during the holidays I want to look a little bit more festive than I do every day, but I don't want to go over the top. I don't want to look like I'm trying too hard. So if you feel that way, you might like this too. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use Skinn 24-hour moisture cream because it's winter time and my face can get dry. So I'm going to be using a stick foundation, and I find that if I put a nice layer of moisture cream on beforehand, it goes on a lot smoother. And this is going to make my skin feel good all day long. I'm not going to feel dry. I'm not going to feel chapped. I'm going to feel protected. Okay, so now let's do the foundation. This is from Kristofer Buckle, and I use the shade medium. You can use any shade that you like or any foundation that you like. If you prefer to use a liquid foundation or a powder foundation, that's fine. I like a stick when I want full coverage though. And sometimes during the holidays, I have a long day. I may be doing a little shopping and then meeting my husband for dinner or a drink. We might go visit with friends or family, and I want my makeup to last all day. And this is a nice brand for me when I want that. Sometimes I like something a little lighter, not today. Okay, now I'm going to use my concealer because every now and then I may have a glass of wine or a little champagne. Maybe I won't get quite as much sleep as I normally do. And concealer always covers up the darkness under my eyes, the bags, makes me feel a lot better about myself. Oops, I got a little piece of the brush there. Okay. Now we're going to move on to blush, and I'm just using some Too Faced blush. I'm just going to swirl my brush and kind of put it on my cheeks. And then I'm going to use the very darkest part at the bottom and do my contouring. Just diagonally from my ear to my mouth to kind of give me a little bit of a hollow in my cheek area. And then after that, I'm going to take Candlelight from Skinn, and I am going to use that for my highlighter and my setting powder and my eyeshadow base. So first of all, I'm going to run it along the top of my cheekbone, and already you can see it's giving me a little bit of a glow. And then I'm going to use some all over my lid as a base for my eyeshadow. And that's what we're going to do differently today. We're going to use a little glitter, not too much, don't freak out, just a little bit. And I think you're going to like it. But first I'm going to take the big brush again, and I'm going to use the Candlelight all over. Just one swish, but I'm going to kind of use that to give me a little extra glow and make myself feel a little more cheerful for Christmas time. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm going to take a liquid eyeshadow from Stila, and it has gold sparkles. So we're going to take that right over my lid on the bottom part. And you can see it has a very subtle effect. It's not one of those super chunky glittery shadows. It's just really, really light and pretty. Now I'm kind of getting a little bit low on my shadow, so I'm going to go in twice. You probably only would need one layer if you got a brand new eyeshadow, but I've had mine for a while and I've used it a lot, so I think I need to go over it twice. There we go. But I'm not going for a ton ton of shimmer. I'm just going for the slightest little bit so that when I close my eyes, you can see that little bit of glow. So we've got that done. Now I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm really going to use a lot of mascara because I'm not using any more shadow. I just want the very sheer base and that little bit of sparkle, and then I'm going to do some black mascara on the bottom and the top lashes, and that's it. There we go. This is better than Sex Mascara. I love this. There's lots of mascaras that I like. I tend to kind of open one and use it for a while, and then I open another, but I'm really enjoying this one. It's very dark, very saturated. And also it seems to kind of stay in place really well. So that's good for a long day. There we go. You can do more mascara if you want, or you can do false lashes. I'm just going to do 2 coats on the top and 1 on the bottom for today. There we go. Alrighty, it's time for brows now. So this is a Skinn eyebrow definer, and I'll just color in, and then I'll use the gel in just a minute. You can do more of a defined brow if you want to, but I think I'm going for an easy, shimmery look, nothing too overdone. So everything is very moderate. Just a little bit of everything. Okay, so I'm liking how this is looking. There we go. And my eyes are done. Now we're going to move on to lips. And I'm just going to use a nude lipstick. This one is by Marilyn Miglin. It's very creamy. It feels really good. And if you don't like gloss, you can just stop with a nude lipstick. But I love gloss, so I'm going to use a little nude gloss too. And that's going to give me the shine that I'm looking for. And that is it for today. So I hope if you're doing some fun things, you'll try this fun makeup and have a wonderful time during your holiday season. I love you a lot, girls. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.